So for today's video, I thought I would do something that I haven't exactly done before. Like I've done grocery hauls. I think I've done maybe like one meal planning video, and then I've done like some school lunch idea videos, but I've never done a meal planning video where I show you all of the ingredients that I got from the store and then show you each meal. So I actually ordered my groceries last night from the, actually I used the Drop app. From the Drop app, I ordered my groceries through Walmart delivery, which is my favorite way to get groceries. On top of that, I also get 3,000 drop points from ordering from Walmart grocery. If you guys don't have the Drop app or you don't know what it is, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you definitely know what it is. If you are new, I'm obsessed with the Drop app. It's an app that you get on your phone. You earn points through shopping, just your regular shopping. So when I shopped at Walmart, got groceries, I earned points. And those points add up and then you can redeem them for gift cards. So I am constantly getting free things, free gift cards for doing my normal everyday shopping, like grocery shopping. It's crazy. So if you guys don't have the Drop app, make sure to check it out in the description box below. You guys can download the app. And then if you are new to Drop, there are going to be 50 random people selected for a $5 gift card that will be placed in your Drop app. It's crazy. It's seriously like free gift cards for just everyday shopping. I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and then I will show you each meal and how I meal plan for the week. And these aren't just like small little meals, they're meals to feed a family. Okay, so here's everything that I ordered. I know it doesn't necessarily look like a whole lot, but this is just dinner. This is not breakfast or lunch or anything like that. I'm just gonna show you guys dinner meal ideas. And then actually the milks, I don't even think I have any recipes that need the milk, but we needed the milk. I'll show you guys what's in these bags and then show you which one goes with like which recipe. And then I will show you also how I meal plan and my little meal plan sheet. So here is everything that I got. I've separated them by each meal, and I'll run through the meals really quickly, but I am going to kind of show you the process and then show you like the finished product of it and everything. From here forward, this is for a chicken enchilada recipe. I'm excited to try this. I've never tried it before, but the ingredients were really simple. I just have cream of chicken here, shredded Monterey Jack cheese, some green peppers, sour cream, flour tortillas, and then under here I have a shredded chicken breast. So it's already shredded and everything, so that sounds super simple. I think I might make this tonight. I'm not sure. I'll have to ask my husband what he wants. And then actually these tortillas go over here. And then with that I will do a Caesar salad. And then I've actually never made this either. So this is like a chicken and potato recipe in the crock pot, and then I'm gonna do some green beans on the side. And then I picked up some of these crock pot liners. I've never tried these before, but cleaning out the crock pot is the worst thing. I hate it. That's why I don't do crock pot recipes, because I hate cleaning it out. Like cleaning out after chicken tacos just makes me so sick. So I thought these were totally awesome, and I'm totally late to the game, but I'm glad I picked some of those up. So I'm interested to see how this turns out. It sounded really good though. And then I have an oldie but goodie. I just have spaghetti here. I use ground turkey. I've got some spaghetti noodles here. Here's the sauce, and then some garlic bread for the side. I could do green beans with that also. So, you know, if you want to like switch it up or add a green to this would probably be a good idea. And I just use ground turkey instead of beef, but of course substitute how you want. This is for chicken tacos. This is Sydney's favorite. I usually try to make this when she's here with us because she loves chicken tacos so much, and these are in the crock pot. They're so simple to do. All you have to do, and the only thing that's missing from this is frozen chicken breast, which I already have in the freezer, so you might want to pick up frozen chicken breast to add to this meal thing here, but I will leave you guys with a detailed meal plan for everything that you will need, and I will include those frozen chicken breasts even though I already had them. And you don't have to do cheese or lettuce, but these are just extra toppings for the chicken tacos. And literally all you do is put pecani sauce and chicken in the crock pot, and that's it. And you wait all day long, and by the end of the night it's ready to go. So super simple. And then I also have some stuff for chili over here. I've got ground turkey and onion, diced tomatoes, beans, tomato sauce, and then stuff for cornbread to have on the side with it. All of these meals will last us the week, and it's less than $75. So I would consider that pretty darn good. Plus, when you use your Drop app, you're gonna get 3,000 points and you're already on your way to redeeming a gift card. So I'm gonna put all these groceries away, but then the rest of the video, I'm gonna show you guys the meals and all of that. Alright guys, so it is 10 o'clock in the morning. I am going to go ahead and put on some chicken tacos. So I told you guys when I was showing you the ingredients for this is like the most simple meal ever, that this is actually Sydney's favorite meal. So she's gonna be with us tonight, and she actually said yesterday how she wanted chicken tacos, and I was like, well, surprise, I bought everything for chicken tacos for tonight. So this is actually the first time that I'm using these slow cooker liners, and I'm super pumped about this. I can't even tell you. Like, I know that these have been around for a while and I'm the last person to realize it, but anyways, I'm gonna put this on. It's literally going to take me all of 3 minutes. I'm gonna put a couple of these chicken breasts in here. Probably, it just kind of depends on like who's at our house and who's eating. So Carter won't be here tonight, but everybody else will be here tonight. So I think I'll probably do 3 big ones. You can use regular chicken breasts. They're just gonna cook, or not frozen, they're just gonna cook a little bit faster. But I always use frozen just because it's easiest. And then I'm gonna put in this jar of pecani sauce, and then you can season it with whatever you want or no seasoning at all. It still tastes good. I use pepper, chili powder, salt, and garlic. And then later on, I'll show you guys what they look like and how we kind of fix them on tortillas and cheese and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so technically I think I put in like 5 chicken breasts, but some are like smaller than others. So I just kind of guesstimate. Usually we always have way too much left over. So yeah, that's probably even too much, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. So we just pour all that in there. That kind of looked disgusting, I'm not gonna lie. And then I'm just gonna put all the seasonings in there, put the lid on, turn this on low, and let it cook till this evening. I also went ahead and just put a little bit of water in this jar, and I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of water in here just to kind of help it cook, but I don't think it's completely necessary, but I'm just gonna add a little bit. So it is 5:25, and I went ahead and shredded this up. I just used 2 forks and shredded it. I was really careful when I shredded it not to rip the liner, but if your chicken is soft enough, like it's been sitting for a long time, you shouldn't have any problems with it. I need to shred a few more pieces in there, but I was just trying to be pretty careful with it. But as you can see, like, it's all shredded up, and then you just add it to a tortilla. So these are the tortillas that I'm using that I showed you guys, and I just wrap a wet towel around them, like a damp towel, and then put them in the microwave and for like 30 seconds, and it kind of warms them up a little bit. And then I added the chicken, and then I'm gonna add cheese, some boogie wipes, no I'm just kidding, sour cream, and some shredded lettuce to the tacos. Okay, so this is what they look like, and just fold them over. Okay, I got a lot of sour cream on there. I love sour cream, but that was supposed to go on that taco. Anyways, fold it over, and there's your tacos.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
This is what the enchiladas looked like before we dug into them. And then I went ahead and made the Caesar salad that I showed you guys earlier. But I think they're gonna be good. We'll see. So I'm making the chicken crock pot meal. I just went ahead and put one of the liners in the crock pot. It calls for 3 chicken breasts sliced up like into 1 inch. Sorry for Cash in the background, but it calls for 1 inch like pieces. I just kind of chopped them up into what I thought looked like 1 inch. I diced up some red tomatoes. It calls for 1 pound and this bag was 1.5 pounds, so I went ahead and did most of them. And I'm gonna put all of this in the crock pot and then add the rest of the stuff. Just says to mix it all together, and then you can either cook it on high or low. Of course, if you cook it on high, it's gonna cook a little bit quicker. It does kind of look strange. I don't know, I guess we'll find out. Okay, so I'm going to be making chili for dinner. Chili and cornbread, actually. This is an extremely easy dinner to throw together. I know that everybody makes their chili differently, so this is kind of up to you what you want to substitute. So this is what the chili looks like. This was so easy to make, literally takes less than 10 minutes. And then you just make the cornbread, throw that in the oven, and that is an easy meal, especially for the fall and winter. So here is the meal planner sheet that I use. This is actually from Target in the Hearth and Hand by Magnolia collection. I think it's like $6 or $7, but it has every day of the week on here, and then it has your shopping list for all of the things that you would need to make those. So I have been planning out the weeks. Usually about twice a week we will eat out. So I will just allow for those days. And then anything other here, if I want to make like a dessert, if we have someone coming over. Finished meal plan. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I will snap a picture of this and post it on my Instagram stories. It's a lot easier that way because I can get it long ways, and then you guys can save it to your phone. Just so you can see here, I've got chicken, enchiladas, and salad, and then I have a one. And then I have the one out here, that way I can see everything that goes with it. Instead of just listing the ingredients one by one, that way I know what each meal needs. So spaghetti and garlic bread, another super easy meal right there. Chili and cornbread right there. Chicken tacos, everything you need right here, including the toppings. And then Friday and Saturday, we tend to usually go out to dinner as a family or have a date night. So And if we're not going to go out to dinner, I'm sure that we will have leftovers from one of these meals. So I'll usually allow for 2 days during the week. Sometimes one of these days gets moved to like Tuesday or something if Jeff is working and I just pick up food or whatever. But and then I have Sunday the slow cooker chicken and potatoes with some green beans. And then here are some dessert ideas. I have pumpkin muffins, chocolate chip cookies, and then homemade Pop-Tarts. These are all things that if you want to make those extra, you could add the ingredients to this list right here. And then you just tear this off, and if you want to, you can just write like your dessert ingredients back here so that you don't forget them while you're at the store. But that's why I like to do the Walmart grocery pickup, because I can just type all of this stuff in, because usually when I go to the store I'm like pretty frazzled with all my kids. So that's why I do the grocery pickup from Walmart. It's the best, especially if you have kids. So that is it for my meal planning video. I hope you enjoyed this and it gave you some inspiration on some new meals to cook for your family. Don't forget to check out the link below and get the Drop app. If you guys are new to Drop, you will be entered in the giveaway. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.